Welcome everyone. Now in this video I am going to discuss about virtual data room software for manufacturing. Virtual data room software is essential in manufacturing industry for securely sharing, managing and collaboration on sensitive documents and data related to various aspects of manufacturing processes, including product design, supply chain management, compliance, intellectual property protection, and more. Here are some virtual data room software options suitable for the manufacturing sector. Number one is Firmix, tailored for secure document sharing and collaboration in manufacturing, provides advanced security features and audit trials, offers support for compliance and due diligence processes. Number two is a video solution that offers a secure storage, document sharing and collaboration, allows for the secure sharing and manufacturing data and intellectual property, customizable and integrates with the other tools commonly used in manufacturing. Number three is Interlinks, known for its strong security and compliance features, suitable for manufacturing companies dealing with the sensitive product and process information, provides document version control and audit trials, offers secure cloud-based storage and collaboration for manufacturing, integrates with various productivity and project management tools, provides a robust platform for manufacturing document and management, flexible video software suitable for various industries including manufacturing, customizable and secure for sharing, and managing sensitive manufacturing data, supports document version control and access permissions. Number 6 is Secure Docs, user-friendly video platform with strong security features suitable for manufacturing business and different sizes. Provides a granular access control and document tracking. Cost-effective and straightforward video solution for manufacturing is CapLinked. Offers a secure sharing and tracking. CapLinked suitable for small and mid-sized manufacturing companies. Number 8 is OneHub. OneHub is a versatile platform for secure document sharing, storage, and collaboration, ideal for managing manufacturing documents and data securely. Include customizable branding and permission control. Designed for regulated industries including manufacturing, offers a secure document sharing and tracking. Provides tool for compliance and intellectual property protection. A project management and deal room suitable for manufacturing process such as mergers and acquisitions or product development. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our next update. Till then, take care. Thank you.